What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Bravest Studios unboxing. I'm super hyped on this one as always. I know I did recently say I'm trying to stick away from just unboxing one item, and that being the video, just me sitting here unboxing the one item. I know I said I'm trying to do that, but this item is just so sick that I had to make a video for it, and I also don't think there are any videos online right now for them, so I could be the first one. So I definitely want to give them the recognition that they deserve because they are pushing out heat. So if you want to check them out on Instagram, I will put them in the description down below, and they will be on screen as well if you want to check them out because they have a drop coming very soon. So yeah, like I said, I just got this one item, but they deserved a video because this is so sick. If you are unfamiliar with them, they do take a bunch of designer logos and then kind of like spoof them up a little bit, kind of similar to what Vandy the Pink does, but then they also have like printed t-shirts that say Dior, but it's like donuts and just like a bunch of things like that. But yeah, I will leave a description to them down below so you can check them out because you'll be able to see a lot more than what I could say about them. Let's just get right into this unboxing. I've been waiting just way too long to open this up. Alright, so here we go. We got the item and then no invoice or anything like that. But alright, so here they are right here. So if you watch the videos, obviously you notice I never really buy shorts. I basically unbox almost everything that I buy. And you know, I never buy shorts. So I am stepping into the short realm finally. Hopefully these end up fitting me. I did go with the size medium, but they are the Louis Vuitton basketball shorts. This is in like the Lakers colorway. It's not officially called that, but I'm calling that because I don't think it's officially called that. It is just the yellow basketball mesh material with purple Louis Vuitton print all over it. And then on the inside, it looks like just like regular old basketball short. And is there a drawstring? Yeah, with a drawstring on the inside. And then right here you have the Bravest Studios tag. I don't know if you can see that, but right here you have the Bravest Studios tag with the size medium right there. I don't know if they offered a size chart or anything, but I know they said that the model was wearing like a medium, and me and the model look similar in size, so I figured I would just go with a medium. I mean, obviously I wouldn't wear them with this because they're two different yellows, but they, from just looking at them, I'm gonna assume they're gonna fit. I might have to take it myself, but if I get a picture of them on, I will throw it up on screen so you can see for fit reference. So their stuff does sell out, so it's not something you can just randomly go on a random Tuesday and pick something up from their site. Their stuff does sell out, so you gotta be quick. It is kind of like a Supreme drop. You kind of gotta be on there and buy it within like the same day that it drops, at least to my knowledge. I found out on drop day about these, so I bought them, and then I want to say maybe the next day or 2 days later they were sold out. I could be wrong, but at least in my size I swore they were sold out. But they do have a drop coming soon that I am going to be picking them up. They have, it's the Louis Vuitton again, but it's kind of like a camo. They come in like a regular camo, well, a regular style camo, and then kind of like a blue camo. I want to pick those up, and I think, I'm not for sure, but I think they are restocking these along with the white version with the blue Louis Vuitton logo on it, so I might even try to pick those up as well. I do really like these shorts a lot. They feel very nice quality. I want to say too that they said something along the lines of they tried picking like their favorite basketball shorts that they had and kind of like combined them together to make the best fit, which is how they got these. So these should fit like crazy good, and like I don't really have any experience with wearing shorts, so I don't really know like good fitting shorts and bad fitting shorts, but I want to say these are going to fit good, and I am just super hyped about these. So I really don't have too much more to say about these. Hopefully I was able to take that picture so I can put that on screen. But if you have not checked out Bravest Studios, make sure you check them out. This video is not at all sponsored by them. I'm just a genuine fan and want to help push out their name if I can in any ways. So make sure you follow them on Instagram. I will put them on screen again, and I will put them in the description down below. But while you are in the description box, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will put my name on the screen as well. Make sure you drop a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.